How it is going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode, we down Team Galactic Bossaris for the second time. And yeah, in today's episode, we're going to continue our journey in the Sinnoh region. And we are near the climax of the story, babies. And let's pick up this item. We got a full restore. So, hey guys. Okay. Williams. Okay, there's these guys. Uximus pattern herself. You came all the way to just save the Pokemon? Though it's nothing new. I can't say understand our boss. Why wouldn't he let a kid like you come and go freely? We, Team Galactic, all that we need and eliminate what we don't. But anyway, you taken the trouble to come. Let me welcome you. Consider it pay up for your insulting me at the leg. Here you go, Lucas Vasquez. Commander Saturn and finally said Lucas. It has been 3000 years rivalry. Because of rivalry you survived. Instead, oh, yes, I doesn't hurt myself in the confusion. Neutral. Yes, of course I would hit in myself in the confusion. Why wouldn't I? What is happening here? Century. We snapped out of confusion. Bye-bye, Bronzer. Bye-bye. The creaking toxic rope. I will not take the risk and I will switch out into Staraptor. Poison Jab. Brave Bird. Bye bye Toxic Rope. You are tough, kid. Yes. What makes you so strong? Fine, do whatever you want with those 3 Pokemon. Press the button on the machine to set them free. Yes. Our boss crafted a red chain from crystals he took from the 3 Pokemon. The red chain is what he needed to shackle something on Mount Coronet. He also apparently needed for creating something. But that's all I know. Who knows what he's planning to up there. Saturn and even Cyrus fall to me, a mere child. Team Galactic state of affairs is worrying. The plan of Cyrus up to Mount Coronet too. Who knows if it will. Perhaps another option needs to be considered. One beating the genius of Charon. I wish we can battle him, but nothing happens that you like. So we are out. So I'll see you guys when I reach a place. Okay guys, I am here at Celestic Town now because I want to do a thing here. You can go to Mount Coronet by this way, but this is not the correct way. I know the correct way, and also I'm doing a collab with Pokeguy. Stay tuned for that video. So why I came here is there is a galactic grunt here, as you guys can see. So let's talk to this man. There's no getting to the peak of Mount. Okay, and yes, I'll see you guys when I reach Orbach City Gate. I brought back another Pokemon to our team that is being our Za. I don't know where can we get the name right at, but where is the name right at, but whatever. Yes, and let's go into the bag. Let's use our bicycle bag and let's go. So let's go and let's run like a helicopter. Run. And let's go into the bag. And there is the repel. Yes, there is this. Max repels 19. I got 19 of them ironically. I wish I had 69 of them. 69. Nice. Dawnstone. Yes. You can use a Frostlass if you need, but I am plenty enough with my Pokemon. I have plenty of Pokemon. I already replaced a team member, so I don't want to replace another team member. We got the protein. So let's use rock climb. Let's go up into Mount Coronet. We got the max repel, so we got 19 of them. Back. Let's go for strength. Okay. There's an item here. What is this? Escape rope. That could be not useful. Let's go for another repel. Let's go up. And let's go this way. And we got TM80 rock slide, which is okay. I will never use that because we got the max revive. Okay. Look at. Observe if you will. That hole. That was once a cave painting that had blocked out the way to the summit, but the wall is no longer there. It lies in the pieces. Do you see? Ever since the 3 Pokemon of the lakes have been captured, something terrible is happening. But what exactly? I don't know. There is but one case. Team Galactic Ceres. And now we are all caught up now to the next step. Are you trainer enough to advance? Show me if you will. Ha ha ha. You see, I understand you are far superior to me as are the command Cyrus too. Naturally, Team Galactic is beyond my reach. Please, you must stop them for only you are able. All I can do is now gift you this. It's a little something I obtained in the investigation longer. We got the black flute. Please stop Team Galactic. I'll stop them, don't you worry. So, which way should I go? I know that we wanna go up, but okay, we got the star piece which I will sell for money because we need money, and also the trainer. Okay guys, let's go. Another grunt. Okay guys, let's go. And we reached this snowy area. Okay, snowy place. Okay, rock climb. We need that. So let's go this way. And now let's go up, upwards and downwards. Snow. There is snow everywhere here. So we can go this way. And there is a rock smash area. So let's go this way. And we need rock climb. We have that. Okay, there is a galactic grunt here. Okay guys, I defeated this trainer and let's continue our way from this place. Okay guys, I defeated this guy. Let's go. Okay, we need waterfall to go that place. Go to that place. And we are here. And there's nowhere to go. So there are trainers here. Guys, I know this is the wrong way to go, but I'm going to defeat the strength for XP, and I'll see you guys from here in the same spot after I defeat all those guys. Okay guys, I am back. Let's use rock climb. And we are near the end. So be sure to have some repels while you are going to this place because you need them very hard. Let's go up and up. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. And we are at still Mount Coronet. Okay guys, I defeated this trainer. And we are at Spear Pillar now. And this trainer. Okay guys, let's continue. Where do you think you are going? I won't let you to disturb our boss. If you are not going to listen, you will have to go through me first. After all, you made me look bad more times than I care to remember. And I'll be next. You might be tough, but this time the gloves are coming off. Hold on one second. Don't you start the part without joining. Huh? Remember me. I am here to get my revenge. Ha! If isn't that little boy, the little crybaby from Lake Okio. Did you toughen up a bit? Sure, let's battle 2-on-1. 2 on 2. Okay. Munchlax. Bronzors. Oh no. This is bad. So this is bad. Stupid enough. I am so stupid that I forgot to bring her Infernape. Okay, J-Robot. Okay, that's gonna do nothing. Stockpile, you do your thing. I'll see you guys when I reach to their last Pokemon. Okay, I'm defeating that Skuntank. And they already set up light screen and reflect. Okay, they're going for Munchlax. Reflect were off. Nice. I'm gonna go for Respire and Bronzer. No! Why will you outspeed? Air Cutter, do not kill that. Yes. Bye bye, Golbat. Barry helping us. Za. Oh, it just shocked me that it had that move. Drain Punch. Okay. Haragli. Bye bye. What? What? Okay, Citrus Berry. Swallow. Thanks you. Let's go for. Okay, do not crit me. Yeah, of course you would. What? Is that not even a crit? So it got very high roll. And. But there was no target. Now there is the goal back. Psychopath. Okay, 0. Zagreb to level 47 and we defeated Command Mars and Jupiter. And my Pokemon are tough. Right? I got even tougher. Okay, Lucas. Okay, he held up our Pokemon. No, everything is ready for the creation of new world. No, all will end and everything will begin. With this, the red chain made for the Pokemon crystals of 3 legs. Okay, I'll prepare the okay. This episode is too long already. I might show the second screen here and Pokemon. I will show the second screen here. I waited so long for Palkia. Shaping this world in double spiral because everything is ability to control. You'll do my bleeding. I will have your abilities. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna show the second screen here instead of question of the day. No! I'm sorry, I took so long. I think I finally found the answer from studying the movie. Okay, the Giratina. Okay. Yes. And we reach Distortion World. This place. Can you feel it? Okay. So that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. I'll see you guys in the same spot tomorrow. Peace out.